Hi guys, just a quick video about this Squire 39. Quite a chunky, sort of solid looking lock. I've taken the bottom off. You can see the insides there, it's quite rusted, but it's a really heavy, thick shackle padlock. But have a look at the core, it's this tiny little thing, and the key is, it's only 4 pins. So it just works like a normal little core, but it's really tiny core that's much like just a cheap cabinet lock really, and it doesn't seem to do all this sort of heavy duty casing justice really. But, I think we'll just try and rake this to start with. It's open already, so that was about 5-10 seconds to get into something that would be secured with all that. So yeah, you do have to be careful with your choice of padlock when locking up your belongings.